Going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over today's price action and what I took today and what I was looking to take today. So coming into the day, we had this 4-hour fair value gap and we had tapped into it and it sent price higher. This was also previous day low and an internal low since price tapped an inefficiency and left a low. Then we obviously expanded, I think around 400 points from that. So I obviously wanted to look for longs today. I was very bullish coming into the day. So that's exactly what I took. We were in this 1 hour fair value gap and we had disrespected it but we were also in this accumulation. So my idea for the trade I took today was a AMD model, which would be the PDI model I teach in my Discord. So basically, what that is you mark out the accumulation zone high, which how do we know this is accumulation? Because like we're not really moving anywhere, we're just in like this sort of range. What we want is a breakout, either down or up. So if we get it up, then we would want to take the shorts from it. But in this case, we took we wanted longs since our bias is bullish on the day, so we wanted it to take out something lower to take longs. And then our target would be the wick of the zone, or you could have done this 15-minute fair value gap up here. There's also like a 5-minute up there. There's a lot of different targets you could have used for today. So what I wanted to happen, I wanted London low to get taken out. Um, and that is exactly what we did. We took out London low. From there, I was expecting some type of long play, but then market opened and ended up just flushing down. And I thought we were going to come down to previous day low and take out this internal low too. Then we would have also got pretty nice longs from there, but we ended up not wanting to do that. And ES was staying pretty correlated. ES was also in a 15-minute fair value gap and bouncing higher off of that, and it didn't seem like price wanted to go any lower really. So I was kind of basing off my trade off of ES and the rejection from going lower. It seemed like we just wanted to respect that 5 minute and then move higher from there. So um ended up taking a inversion off of this and a retest. Ended up having multiple inversions you could have took from this play. And we had a CISD happen. So let me go to the inversion you could have took. So we had this 3-minute inversion right here. There was also a 2-minute right here, and so on. So I didn't get that entry from there, but I did wait for a retest so I can get entered for my lungs again. What ended up happening is my play ended up playing without me. I just didn't get I just didn't take my entry basically on it, but super nice play. And it tapped that 5 minute, which would have been your break even or your first target. But I just ended up staying patient and waiting for price to come down and give me a chance again to take this play. And that is pretty much exactly what happened. I get entered. So like I was saying, I do get filled into here, and um now I'm just gonna wait to see what we're gonna do. Your stop could have been at this low as well, and then you would have had a very protected stop. But I think I was risking like 40 points in this play, 41 points, and I entered after we inversed this 1 minute. So unfortunate day for me though. This play ended up playing out beautifully. I just was trying to move um like this down to see how much I would be risking and accidentally exited myself. So I did get out of the trade, and then I waited a little to get my re-entry, but I wasn't loving the 5 minute structure we were getting. So I just took my trade for the day and basically hopped off. But just nice to see that your discretion is playing out and it did exactly how I wanted it to. So then as you can see, we end up coming and inversing this gap right there. Set your limit, got filled, and basically it just runs from here. So let's just see what we do. Let's go to the 5 minute. After a lot of candles later, it does end up hitting it, bang, just like that. So pretty A plus and textbook setup day. I mean, it can't get any easier than that really. It's literally just an AMD model. And I teach this in my Discord. Anyone in there would have took this and saw like we got our accumulation, we got our our manipulation lower, and then I mean, I guess we manipulated again, but we got our distribution after. But even if you had entered in this, like over here off of the thing, if your stop loss was at the low, which it should be, then again, it still would have hit TP. It just depends how you took it. Beautiful play, super easy day, and yeah. That's the trade I took today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.